Hey Tucker, I've got a hell of a car waiting for you in a secret location, but you have to get there fast and bring it to light.
So I just received this invitation to a secret location, and if you know me, you know we gotta go check it out. So I'm packing the bags, we're gonna get in the car. Let's do this. Woo!
Great, I can see you're already on the road. Smart and BRABUS built a car that's just like you. Adventurous, powerful, and not afraid to stand out. So we chose you to present it to the world. Here's all you need to know. It's fully electric and super versatile.
I made it to the mountains, brought my snowboard, gotta make it to the bottom. Let's do it. Woo! All right, we made it up the mountain. This is the next place. Looks like we're going in.
You're almost there, but to get the elevator running, you need to find the code. I'll give you a hint, it's in the car.
In the car. Maybe it's the specs. All right, let's try top speed, 210. You could try the electric range, 5.0. No, that's not it. Maybe it's peak power, 4.7. It worked.
Very smart of you. You found the code. Now go and get us the car.
You guys, it's pitch black in here. I can't see a thing. I think we're getting close though. This is the craziest place I have ever seen in my entire life. And I think I figured out why I'm here. Smart and BRABUS. This is beautiful. Let's check it out. Now this is crazy. Look at how beautiful the attention to detail is here, from the screens to the Sennheiser speakers, the stitching in the seats. Smart and BRABUS have really done something amazing here, and this is one of the most exciting cars I've ever been into. What is this?
Listen up, Tucker. We don't have much time left, so put the pedal to the metal and release this beast into the wild.